I'm going to share with you the story of how I made press-on nails for Taylor Swift. Yes, this is a real story. Let me start at the beginning. It all started one day whenever I was laying on the couch and the Chiefs were on TV playing football, and I thought to myself, does Taylor Swift wear Chief nails? So I decided to do a Google search to see what type of nails Taylor Swift wears. And it didn't come as a surprise to me that she doesn't wear long nails very often because she is a performer and she plays the guitar. So you aren't going to be able to have a long nail to play the guitar. So I tried to do some more research about her nails, and it appears that she will wear a longer length of nail if it is for a special occasion. So I decided that I could indeed make her press-on nails because she would wear a length that is longer than her natural nail. And at this point, you're probably realizing, yes, Taylor did not ask for these. Taylor Swift did not request that I make her press-on nails. I went out on my own and decided that this is something that I should do. So we all know that Taylor Swift is really famous. She has a bunch of money. If she really wanted to have Chief press-on nails, she could get them. And she could get the best of the best out there to make these nails for her. But maybe she just didn't know that she wanted them. And that's what my thought process was. Maybe she just didn't think of this design that she would want. Maybe she just didn't think that she would want to wear Travis Kelce's face on her nail. And that's exactly what I did. Here's a look of all the nails that I created for Taylor Swift. As you can see, they're all Chief themed. The colors are mainly white, red, and yellow. And there's one nail in specifically that I drew with Travis Kelce's face on it. So you may be wondering, why did I paint so many nails? Because Taylor only has 10 fingers, right? And I painted 37 nails to be exact. And the reason that I did that is because I don't know what her nail sizes are. If you're familiar with press-on nails, you know that each finger, it has a specific size that you would wear for that nail, and I don't know what Taylor's are. So I just went out on a limb and painted a whole bunch to create this mix match Chief set that will hopefully have sizes for her to wear on her nails so she can support her man in his career, because that's what this whole thing is about, supporting your man. You gotta support your man, you gotta wear his face on your nail to support your man, because I mean, how else are you gonna support him, am I right? So when I chose my sizes for my press-on nails, I tried to make it as for what I thought she could be and what common sizes are. So for the Travis Kelce nail with his face on it, I put that as a size 4 because that's a pretty common universal size. So I'm hoping one of her fingers would be a size 4 in order for her to be able to wear this Travis Kelce face on her nail. I tried to do some research and I really thought about where I should mail these nails, because do people send fan mail anymore? I have no idea, because there's just Facebook, Instagram, you could just write something up and send it to any celebrity at any given moment. So do they have fan mail addresses? I don't know. I tried to figure out if Taylor Swift had one, and it seemed like she does have one, or maybe did have one, but there wasn't anything that I was seeing official, like on her website or from her, to saying, send this fan mail here. So I'm kind of like skeptical about the address that I found, if it would really get to her or not, because I don't want to do all this work and then she doesn't get it. I mean, she may not get it anyways. Whoever opens it might throw it in the trash, but I want to feel confident about where I'm sending it to, right? So I decided to go on Taylor's website and try to look for information, and they had a newsletter that you could sign up for, and on the newsletter there is an address of Taylor Nation. Is that appropriate that I send it to her merchandising company, is what I asked myself. And I was torn. I felt like no was the answer, but then I also felt like yes was the answer, because there was no other reliable address out there that I felt I could send it to that was, coming directly from her. So that's where I decided to send my nails. So first of all, I'd like to address, if the person who opens that package would somehow watch this video, I want you to know I'm sorry. You probably didn't want to deal with that today, but I hope you enjoyed my nails. Maybe you want to wear them. Maybe you want to give them to Taylor. I don't know. So once I decided to make these nails for Taylor to support her man at his career, I knew I had to do the same thing. Because I'm not the type of person that's gonna tell somebody they have to do something and then I wouldn't do the same thing. So I made nails to support my man's career. My husband works at the landfill. So here's these nails I made. We got our safety green vest, a garbage truck, the flames because he's the gas tech, so he works with the flares a lot. Here's a picture of him because you know you gotta have your man's face on your nail if you support him. Here is water because he has to check the water. I don't think it shows up very well, but I made like these little bubbles. We have a tree here because he works outside. There's a garbage can because he works at the landfill. Mud because it's really dirty there. Sometimes he works in the scale house, so I drew this scale. And then for this last nail, I drew it safety green and I threw glitter on it. And the glitter is supposed to represent the garbage because who really wants trash all over their nails? I think Keith enjoyed that I did that for him. I recorded his reaction.
Is that me?
Yeah.
Is that a scale? Is
Yeah.
that why you did that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because sometimes you work in the scale house.
Is this one supposed to be mud?
Yeah. You
What's this one? Just like a design?
like it's the flame, like the flare, like the gas.
Yeah. That's cute, babe. Are you gonna wear these?
Yeah, I'm gonna wear them.
Why?
Like whenever I take these ones off. I had to put your face on a nail because how am I supposed to give Taylor Swift a nail and tell her that she has to wear her man's face on her nail just and like support his career? So like I made nails to like support your
my
career. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't want to be a hypocrite, I guess.
I don't, no. I don't have my garbage nails, as I like to call them, on yet, but I'm gonna go put them on as soon as I'm done making this video, and I'll put this clip here so you can see it's real. They're really on my hands, and I'm wearing them to work tomorrow, and I might get asked, why do I have a garbage truck on my nail, but I'm okay with that. I enjoyed the process of this whole thing, so for me, either way, it's not a loss, and I really, really like my garbage nails. I can say that. I'm gonna have a smile on my face whenever I wear them. Just thinking about them's making me smile. But if you enjoy nails and want to see more nail content, check out the other videos on my channel.